Purismo, Purismo. Purismo was an Italian cultural movement which began in the 1820s. The group intended to restore and preserve language through the study of medieval authors, and such study extended to the visual arts. Inspired by the Nazarenes from Germany, the artists of Purismo reject Neoclassicism and emulated the works of Raphael, Giotto and Fra Angelico. The movement flourished through 1860 and reflected the taste for revivalist styles, which in Italy was fed growing interest in Italian national identity and artistic heritage. History. The term Purismo was coined in 1838 to describe the paintings of Antonio Bianchini that referred to the primitive Italian artists from Cimabue to the first Raphael. This nostalgia paralleled changes in literary taste, which was looking back to Tuscan 14th century poetry and literature. In that way, Purismo was similar to the pre-Raphaelite movement in Great Britain. The group's ideals were declared in their Manifesto del Purismo nell'arte in 1842-43, which was written by Antonio Bianchini and co-signed by major proponent of Purismo Tommaso Mainardi 1787-1871, Nazarene co-founder Friedrich Overbeck, and sculptor Pietro Tenerani. Another important support of Purismo was Luigi Massini, called from Paris as the director of the Regio Istituto Senese di Belle Arti. In 1841, he combined references to the Umbrian paintings of the 15th century with influences from the Nazarenes and Ingrese in his painting La Musica Sacra stored in Florence's Gallery of Modern Art. Tommaso Mainardi's pupils Antonio Caesari and Costantino Brumidi and Massini's pupils Alessandro Franchi, Amos Cassioli, and Cesare Macari are all linked to the movement, as well as Bartolomeo Pinoli, Giambattista Gigola, and Giovanni de Min. Maurizio Dufu was the main Purismo proponent in Liguria. He was joined by artists such as Luigi Massini Palladio. In Genoa, the largest realization of the movement's style is the Basilica di Santa Maria Immacolata. With the first national Italian exhibition in 1861, which took place in Florence, the fortunes of Purismo began to decline and be replaced by the styles of Verismo and the Macchiali.